Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with Diamond Net Stitch. So this how to work this I'll demonstrate with Dried Rose Hobby Store Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4, and its color code is 2038. To begin, we need to make a chain of multiples of 4 plus 2. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made multiples of 4. I am making 2 more. And you begin with making a single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. So here I am going to make a single crochet, chain 5, skip 3 and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 5, skip 3, single crochet in the next. This is the repeat. So repeat, I shall meet you at the end of this row. I shall make one more time and show you. I have chained 5, I am skipping 3, and in the next stitch I am going to make a single crochet. Chain 5, skip 3, single crochet. Chain 5, skip 3, single crochet, chain 5, skip 3 and single crochet. Now chain 7 and turn. Rows 2 and 3 are going to be your pattern repeat rows. Now we have chain 5 here in the middle chain. You are not working under the chain, but you are working under the chain. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, the middle chain you make a single crochet. Alternatively, you can make a slip stitch in the single crochet. That will have more definition for your diamonds. Again, chain 5 in the middle chain. In the middle chain you have to work. So continue. I shall meet you at the end here. We have come to the end of the row here. Now chain 2 and place a double treble in this last stitch here. Double treble is yarn over 3 times and place here. So now next you're not going to work in chain 2 space, but you will work in the next chain 5 space. Chain 6 and turn. Again, in the middle chain of the chain 5 you're going to make a single crochet. Here let us make a slip stitch and go ahead. Again chain 5. You should remember the number of chains in the beginning and the end of the rows. How you are going to place the end stitch. I'm just for a change I'm doing slip stitch here, and how well it defines the diamond you can see. So it doesn't matter whether you're making a single crochet or a slip stitch, we are not going to work in those stitches. chain 7 now. So you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 continuously. After row 3 you chain 7 and place a, if you're doing slip stitch, place a slip stitch in the middle chain of the chain 5 space, again chain 5, slip stitch in the middle chain of the chain 5, see the diamonds forming. There is another variation wherein you work the diamonds with 4 chains apart and working the stitch in the middle of the chains. Now chain 2 and double treble on the top of this last stitch here of the previous row, turning chain 1 2 3, so this is how it looks. I shall make a few more rows and get back to you. This is how it looks. Thank you friends for watching this video. This sort of stitches can be used for beautiful summer wear, cardigans, summer cardigans, and they can be used for your tote bags, etc. and etc. So do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload new videos. And I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.